Today we will discuss various reasons why your desert rose leaves turn yellow and what you can do to prevent it from happening. These plants like being outside in the sun if your weather allows. Some people grow them inside with grow lights. Adeniums can get yellow leaves and drop them when the temperature or surroundings change. Yellowing and falling leaves is normal as long as there is a change in the environment. The plant enters a resting phase until it adapts to the new environment. Even if the plant remains without leaves, it will sprout again if you stick to the right watering, temperature and sunlight routine. During the winter, it's important to recreate the native conditions for desert rose. This means providing a low moisture environment, watering sparingly, and maintaining a consistent temperature above 10 degrees Celsius. Protecting the plant from frost and cold drafts is also essential for its well-being. And to keep a desert rose healthy and growing well, it's important to know when to water it. Improper watering might be the main reason why you're noticing yellow leaves on your adenium. When desert rose plants get too much water, their roots can become waterlogged and start to rot. This leads to a reduced ability to absorb nutrients, often causing the leaves to turn yellow. If a plant's roots are not healthy, it may struggle to get the important stuff it needs. This can make the leaves turn yellow because the plant is not getting the nutrients it requires to grow well. Desert rose plants do not need a lot of water to thrive in their growing environment. It's important to let the soil dry out between waterings. In the growing season, follow the soak and dry method for watering. Give the plant a good soak. All of the soil should be dry before watering again. If the soil is still moist, you risk giving your desert rose too much water and it can rot. In the dormant season, water the plants much less. If they are in large outdoor containers, place them where they won't get natural rain. Too much water can make the stems soft and mushy because the cells become saturated with water, losing their strength and structure. Symptoms of overwatering include yellowing leaves, brown or black spots, leaf rot. You'll notice mushy and droopy appearance. You should increase soil aeration by loosening the surface and gently stirring with a wooden stick or chopstick. On the other hand, if you consistently forget to water, your plant can become dehydrated over time. When in dehydration, the leaves may begin to yellow or develop dried tips as a result of water stress and reduced nutrient uptake. The leaves of the plant will appear limp, droopy, and lose vitality. Desert rose likes lots of bright sunlight, similar to what it gets in its native desert home. It grows well with strong light, but it can handle a bit of shade. If it doesn't get enough light, it might not grow as well and may have fewer flowers. When it's still young, it needs a good balance of light and shade. Too much bright light might give it sunburn, and too little light can make it grow leggy and weak. When they don't get enough light, they often drop their older leaves early to save energy and resources. New leaves may grow smaller in size compared to the previous ones once they have matured. And nutrient deficiency can also be the reason your adenium leaves are turning yellow. When the desert rose plants lacks essential nutrients like nitrogen, iron, and magnesium, its leaves can turn yellow. These nutrients are necessary for the plant's proper growth and development, but try not to over-fertilize it. To prevent giving too much fertilizer, make sure to use the recommended amount mentioned on the fertilizer label and only fertilize during the plant's active growing season. Hope you find something useful from this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.